YouTube, what is up? Welcome back to the freaking channel, and welcome to we actually have like a winter now. It's actually kind of winter, so we figure what better time to try out the big rig than when it's going to be 10 degrees out. Where are we going? The land? Yeah.
Looks all this stuff. We're going to the moon.
Holy buckets. Holy buckets, holy buckets. So we seriously have enough stuff to probably last us, I don't know, I would say borderline forever. All right, 50,481 miles. What do we got for a temperature? I just saw it somewhere. 10 degrees, 13 degrees. You girls ready? You gonna sleep out in the woods or you gonna sleep in the camper? Alright, about halfway, and we've got the camera crew out. Guy came up to me at the stop and asked if we could get some pictures. You ready to freeze, maybe? Alright, YouTube, so we came north and we got out of snow. It's 10 degrees here. So far the rig is doing amazing. Check this out. There's the big old pond. So this is one of the things I look forward to most of here. This thing runs non-stop, all the time, year-round. The best water you can get. So we're going to fill up, and then we're going to get to camping. This is the only place that we get water for this time. Holy water. Oh, come on, there's waste some water here.
Look who's nervous about his monster truck. Dude, I'd bring my race wagon in here. Winter tires, baby.
In the land.
The land? In the land?
Yeah, we got
We've made it to the disclosed location. We've got the brand new mini cabin. We've got Poppy. It's 11 degrees, girl. Where's your hat? We've got the monster truck. We've got Lake Superior. And we're gonna see how this works. We're gonna get everything up and rolling. We're gonna get heat rolling in here. And we're actually gonna use this tonight. Poppy needs her hat. All right, kids, can you guys clean this?
No.
All right, first project.
Bigger apex. Replacing single wall. This is in the way. Replacing the single wall 5-inch out of the stove. So the stove is 5-inch, so we got to make sure that this reducer
will go down into that stove,
Yeah.
right? Look at this window. Who would have thought that view would be ever seen through Dad's window? Amazing. We got the big rig right out the door. We got the girls. We got 15 degrees out, about. Okay, Mia, can you help me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. Here, leave it like that.
No, my kill you. Ow!
And you bumped your head?
Yeah. I think I see some more. Just kidding.
Took the table out, and we got this all set up. We're sitting at 57 degrees right now, so we've got the actual propane heat on, and then we have this little space heater on. So we're going to see how that works. These top lights are 12 volt. These are little pucks we put in. The worst part of setting this up was getting this mattress in here, which is supposed to be 10 inches. It's definitely not. But then making this bed, because there's no room. So here's kind of what we're working with. And then the bathroom, since we don't have a heat duct in there. Let's see, girl. Since we don't have heat, it's a little colder, so we got our water, our cooler, obviously our toilet. And then let's see, look at this. We got all our bins. Yes, sir. Now it's about time to make some dinner.
Get in.
Okay, go baby, go.
Are we eating outside?
I don't have any butter, but it's all good.
I got put
Ken, right here.
This is the perfect one. Want a bite yet? Shoot yourself, little woman.
Oh my gosh.
What little woman?
You're the little woman. Got a little crunch too on the outside.
Yeah, it's seared up pretty good.
So today, day one, was very, very successful. We made like the 3.5, 4 hour drive. We got everything positioned. We got the beds made, an amazing dinner. And now it is bedtime. You ready for bed, little girl? Yeah. Is it cozy up there? Good. Okay, love you, baby. Say see you in the morning.
And good morning.
Good morning, Lake Superior. Good morning, Mila. Wheela. How'd you sleep?
Good.
I don't think you slept very good. It stayed plenty warm in here. I do have the lights on now because Dad had to get up, get his water, but we got a little space heater and our heater worked great and kept us so warm. All right, while this rolls, I'm gonna. I bought this last year. No idea what I'm doing with any of this stuff, but okay. It's not in really much of English. A little handle scooper. So, I think this is the burner. There it is. Wonderful. Yeah. Below average. All right. Good morning. Good morning. We officially have coffee. We are going to check on the squad next door.
It snowed more.
Oh, not much. You're good.
Like on the steps, it's slippery.
So after a day of use, we've realized we need some sort of table, cabinet, something. We got to do something. You got it, girl. It's beautiful out.
I almost slipped on it.
It's slippery. Ooh, look at it. It's got a fresh fire. Whoa, it is slippery. Say good morning. Let's see how long you stand outside in your bare feet. Ready, go. 3, 4. Yeah, girl.
Yeah. No trick.
Doesn't it smell so good? I love that.
Can I play with you? No. Please.
Ho, ho, ho.
Hey, where's it?
That's gonna be a donut, dude. What do you think?
Check up for them.
Juggle 4? Why do you guys always want to juggle 4?
You say juggle 3, juggle 4, and juggle 16.
Test of the rest.